You are now watching World's Fastest Engine on Darkman TV. Let's go.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 80. Today's competing engines are 80th Birthday Thomas, Diesel 10, Carnival Diesel, Secret Agent Thomas, Samson, Talking Thomas, Snow Clearing Emily, and Talking Reboot Gordon. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. 80th Birthday Thomas versus Diesel 10. Next up, Carnival Diesel versus Secret Agent Thomas.
And now,
Samson versus Talking Thomas.
Farewell.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Snow Clearing Emily versus Talking Reboot Gordon.
Express coming through. Goodbye, Gordon. Good job, everyone.
Semi-finals time with 80th Birthday Thomas versus Carnival Diesel. Finishing up the semifinals, Talking Thomas versus Snow Clearing Emily, who will face 80th Birthday Thomas in the finals.
I think it's Talking Thomas.
Let's see.
Number one, Blue Engine.
80th Birthday Thomas and Talking Thomas are in the finals.
Well, bust my buffers.
80th Birthday Thomas is the winner.
Oh, what is happening? Oh, no! Oh my gosh!